Good afternoon, children. Today we will be starting with the next part of the topic quadratic equation. Last time we had learned what do you mean by quadratic equation, that is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called as quadratic equation. We also learned that a quadratic equation has at most two roots. Roots means what should be the value of x so that the quadratic equation gives you the answer 0. Some quadratic equations can have no roots, some may have one root, some may have two roots. So now today we'll see how to find those values of x. So there are three methods to find the values of x. One is factorization method, other is formula method, and the last one is completing the square method. So in this session I'll just cover factorization and we'll introduce formula method. Okay, let's start. So also factorization method, that is splitting the middle term, you have already done in your last standards, that is 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, so let's revise once again. Okay, there is the first sum. I want to factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. It means multiplying I want 6, adding I want 5. So what are factors of 6? 3 into 2, 6 into 1. I want both numbers positive in multiplication as well as addition. So it cannot be 6 and 1 because 6 plus 1 gives you 7. But I want answer as 5. So what will be the factors? 3 plus 2. So let's split the middle term. That is this 5x I'll split as 3x plus 2x. That is x square plus 3x plus 2x. I have replaced 5x by 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now from these two, what is common? X is common. So if I take x common from these two brackets, I'll get x plus 3. From 2 and 6, what is common? 2. So what is left? X plus 3. Always remember that this bracket and this bracket must be same. If they are not same, means the factorization has gone wrong. Now I'll take x plus 3 common. So what is left? X plus 2 equal to 0. So either x plus 2 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. And x plus 2 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. So what are the factors? You'll get x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3. That is, when I put x as minus 2 in the above equation, I get 0. When I put x as minus 3, I get the answer as 0. So x equal to minus 2 and minus 3 are roots of the equation. Okay. Next example, 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Here I want multiplying 6, adding minus 5. So again the factors remain same. It is minus 3x and minus 2x. So I'll replace minus 5x by minus 3x and minus 2x. So what is common from here? X. So if I take x common, what is left? 2x minus 3. Nothing is common here, so I'll take 1 common. So it will be 2x minus 3. See, I have taken minus common, so inside it should be minus because minus into minus will give me plus 3. So see, both the brackets are same, means I am somewhere correct. So that bracket I'll take common. So 2x minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. That is either 2x minus 3 is 0 or x minus 1 is 0. That is 2x equals 3 or x equals 1. So x equal to 3 by 2 or x equals 1. Next, multiplying, I want 3 into 2, that is 6. Adding, I want 2 root 6. Now see, root 6 can be written as root 6 into root 6. And if I add these two, I'll get minus 2 root 6. So what will I do? I'll replace 2 root 6 by root 6 plus root 6. See here, I've replaced 2 root 6 by root 6 and root 6. If I multiply minus root 6 into minus root 6, I get 6. Again, Now 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Similarly, root 6 is written as root 2 into root 3. 2 is written as root 2 into root 2. I have simplified so that it becomes easy for you to take common. So what is common over here? Root 3x in the first two brackets. Can you see? What is common over here? Root 3 and 1 of the x, and root 3x is common. So see, root 3x I have taken common. What is left? Root 3x minus 2. Again here what is common? Root 2 and root 2 is common. So what is left? Root 3x minus root 2. So again the brackets are same. So I am correct. So root 3x minus 2, root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now here you can see that both the brackets are same. That is, you'll only get one root for the quadratic equation. What will be that? Root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. That is root 3x equals 2. So it becomes 2 by root 3. I got only one root for the quadratic equation. Why? Because this entire part was a perfect square. Okay. Let's move to next example now. Now see here b part is missing. You can see coefficient of x square is there, constant is there. So this can be written as 4x square minus 9 equal to 0. This becomes 2x the whole square minus 3 square. Now I am using the formula of a square minus b square. That is a minus b into a plus b. So what I am getting? 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. That is x is 3 by 2 or x is minus 3 by 2. Okay, I want to find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. So what they have given? Sum is given as 27. That is x plus y is 27. So what will be y? 27 minus x. Now they also have given product is 182. Product means xy equals 182. But what is y? 27 minus x. So x times 27 minus x equals 182. That is 27x minus x square equals 182. So x square minus 27x minus 182. Now I want factors of 182. So how can I find? First I will write 2 into 91. What are factors of 91? 2 into 13 into 7. From here I got the factors should be 14 and 13. So I have split up 27 as 14 and 13. Rest the procedure remains the same. You have understood that. So x can be 13, x can be 14. Now find two consecutive positive integers. What are consecutive positive integers? If one is x, other is x plus 1. I want sum of their squares. Means first I have to add, then I have to do squaring. So first I have done addition, then I have done squaring of both the integers, which should be how much? 365. I'll open this bracket. So I'll get a plus b the whole square. That's x square plus 2x plus 1. So the x square plus x square becomes 2x. 1 minus 365 becomes 364. I have divided by 2 to every term. So it becomes x square plus x minus 182. Again the number is same. Factors remain same. I've written directly over here. You will solve step by step. Okay. Just for your practice, you will solve. I have given the answer to you. Okay. Now see, x cannot be negative because they are talking about positive integer. So x has to be 13. So if x is 13, x plus 1 should be 14. So the numbers are 13 and 14. Now there is also one easiest method called as formula method. I'll just introduce over here. We'll discuss the sums in the next class. So see how to use formula method. Very first thing is write the equation in standard form. Standard form means in this format I have to write the equation. Then I'll find what are a, b and c. Once I get a, b and c, I'll find b square minus 4ac. This is also called as delta. We'll see later on this part. But we'll find b square minus 4ac. Once I get b square minus 4ac, I'll apply formula method. So one value of x will be minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second will be x equal to minus b minus, one will be minus and one will be plus. Okay, we'll go into detail about this topic in the next class. You can try and solve the next exercise that is based on factorization method.